In this video, I'll show you how to add booking.com reviews to your Shopify website. It's going to be completely free of charge without any credit card needed, and to get started, I've added a link in the description that you need to follow, so do make sure to click that to follow along for this tutorial. As you can see, there are loads of different templates to choose from, and you can customize every single one of them to match your branding and even see how the different features work by clicking around on the widget. In this case, you can see that I can open up a pop-up like this. And for other reviews, you have a scroll button over here on the left hand side, for example. And you can even go ahead and click up here to see how it's going to look on mobile view. And here's a quick example of the widget implemented onto my Shopify website. As you can see, you can interact with it and click read more. And you can even go ahead and click reviews on booking.com, which can easily help you boost your rating and act as social proof. Now, if you haven't already, the first thing you're going to do is to click the link in the description down below. That's going to take you to this website right here, where you're going to go up in the top menu and hover over widgets right here. Now go ahead and locate reviews, and then just down here we have booking.com reviews. Go ahead and click there. Next, you need to click on the pink button that says create widget for free. That's going to take us down to the template builder where we can start designing our widget. Now the first step here is to choose a template that's close to what you're looking for. It doesn't have to be perfect because you'll be able to customize the design, layout, colors, and more later on if you want to match your branding or similar. Just pick the one that's the closest to what you're looking for now. For this demo, I'll go ahead with this option right here. From here, you can go ahead and click continue with this template at the bottom left corner. That's going to bring you to this page where you need to add your booking.com URL. In this case, I have this property right here that I want to add to the widget. And to add it, go ahead and click on the share button on the page right here, and then click on copy link. And now go back to Elf side and insert the link right here by clicking Ctrl V on your keyboard or right clicking and clicking on paste. And then just let it load and fetch all the reviews. Once it's collected all of the reviews, it's going to look something like this. From here, you can go ahead and toggle off the AI generated summary if you'd like. To do that, go ahead and click on it and then go ahead and toggle it off right here. You also have options like filters and sorting. Down here, you can customize what kind of reviews to show. So if we click on filters, for example, then you can go ahead and choose what kind of rating to show. In this case, we're only showing 5-star ratings, but if you want to be more transparent, you can choose something like 4 3-star reviews or even any rating. You can also choose to exclude certain reviews. You can do that by clicking on add filter, and then you just need to write the keyword. So let's say that you have itchy bed sheets, for example, then you can go ahead and write bed sheets or itchy, and then it's going to filter any reviews away that mentions this. If you want to customize something like the layout, you can go ahead and click on the left hand side right here where it says layout. From here, you can choose a different design if you'd like, the ones that were shown on the templates at first. And you can also go down and customize the specific design you chose by customizing the width, columns, items per page, and more. To customize the header part of the widget, go ahead and click on header right here. Here you can choose whether you want to show the header at all, or you could choose what elements to show within the header. Let's see that we don't want to see the number of reviews. Just go ahead and untick it like so, and then you can see it disappeared. You can also add a widget title by toggling this on, and by default it's going to say what our customers say, but you can also write something else. To customize the review boxes themselves right here, go ahead and click on review. From here you have 3 different review styles that you can choose from, and you can see them by scrolling through the different options. If you want to change something like the colors of the widget, go ahead and click on style on the left hand side. From here you can choose between a light and even a dark color scheme to make your life a little bit easier. But you could also go down here and choose your specific accent colors if you like. So if you want to change a color, you can go ahead and click on some of these options right here. But you can also go ahead and click custom color button right here. And then you can choose a very specific color or even add the number down here. Aside from that, you can also change the font by clicking right here and choosing a different font. Otherwise, it's just going to apply the font from your website. And lastly, if you want to customize very specific elements, you can go down here and all of these options here and customize them. Let's say we want to change the background color. In that case, just click here and then go ahead and choose a color right here, whatever suits your website. And then you can go ahead and click done and go back. I'm just going to keep it white for my case, but you can choose whatever color you'd like for your website. Lastly, you also have the settings option on the left hand side right here. From here, you can choose the language. You can also choose to auto-translate reviews. So right now you can see we have some that are in English right here. However, this is a premium option, so you would need to pay a small subscription fee to enable this. And once you're ready to add your widget to your website, go ahead and click on the Add to Website for Free button at the bottom left side. From here, your screen will open up in a new window where you'll need to either sign up or log into Elfsight if you don't already have an account. And once you've done that, you should end up on a similar page as to what I'm showing on my screen now. This is essentially the exact same template builder, so if you're done customizing your design, you don't need to do anything here. Just go up in the top right corner and click on the big green Publish button. From here, you'll be taken to this page where you need to choose your plan. And because it's completely free of charge, like I mentioned at the start of the video, just go ahead and select the $0 a month plan on the very left side by clicking the gray select button. And once you've done that, you'll end up on this page. From here, just go ahead and click on copy code. And now it's time to head back to our Shopify website designer. Once you're on your Shopify website designer, the first step is to choose what page you want to add your widget to. In my case, I'll add this to my home page, which I can choose right here, but you can just choose whatever page you want to add your widget to. From there, I want to add this to the midsection of my main page, and that's on the template on the left-hand side. So to add the widget, go ahead and click on Add Section, and then scroll all the way to the bottom until it says Custom Liquid. Click that, and then it should add in a custom liquid bar like this. Now on the right hand side, we need to go ahead and click on the liquid code, and then we need to click Ctrl V on our keyboard or right click and click on paste. And then just click away from it and let it load for a second. And as you can see, we now have a booking.com reviews on our Shopify website. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.